Hey everybody, what's up? It's Nick here, and in today's video I'm going to bring you guys an Adobe Illustrator tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can create the Android robot inside of Adobe Illustrator. Now this is going to be foreshadowing for my next tutorial. My next tutorial is going to show you guys how to make this awesome wallpaper that you're seeing right here, which is an Android wallpaper, which is kind of funny because I'm an iPhone user, but that's not funny. But anyway, today I'm going to show you how to make the Android robot inside of Adobe Illustrator. It's a very easy, very simple tutorial for only beginners at Illustrator. So if you already know some Illustrator and you already know what I'm talking about, then no need to watch this video. Just feel free to go ahead and skip ahead to the next video whenever I decide to put that out, which will show you how to make this wallpaper right here. But in the meantime, today I'm going to show you how just to create the Android robot inside of Adobe Illustrator. So for this video I'm going to be using Adobe Illustrator CS4, but you can use any version of Illustrator that you want to. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google, and I'm just going to go to Google Images, and I'm just going to type in Android robot. Then just go ahead and find any one. This one will do. Then just go ahead and save that to your desktop. But as you see here, I already have it saved. So once you have the Android robot saved, just go ahead and drag and drop it into Illustrator. So let's go ahead and drag and drop it. And as you see here, here's the Android wallpaper. Android robot. I keep on wanting to say wallpaper. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to start zooming in some so I can see what I'm doing. Then I'm going to go over here to layers. I'm going to lock the layer, and then I'm going to create a new layer. Once I'm on that new layer, I'm just going to go over here and I'm going to set my stroke to black and my fill to none. I'm going to grab my pen tool, and the first thing I always like to do is create the body. So to create the body, first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the pen tool. It's a quick, easy little pen tool thing. If you already know how to use the pen tool, then that's fine. So I'm just going to go ahead and zoom in all the way down here, and I'm going to just try and get the curves right. So I got that. I'm going to go ahead and drag it over here. It's going to try and get the curves right. Oops. And hold shift. And there we go. Now let's just go ahead and connect it up there. Zoom out. And there is our body for our Android. So first thing we're going to do after that is we're going to select that, and we're going to go to the Eyedropper tool right here and just click anywhere else that has green. Click on that. And then as you notice, it will just make the fill color to green, and we will get something that looks like this right here. So if I go ahead and show that, this is what we got right here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to make the legs and the arms. Now to do this, they're nothing but simple rounded rectangles. So go over here and grab your rounded rectangle tool, and we're going to make a rounded rectangle. Let's just go ahead and move it into position. And that's pretty much the only one we're going to have to make. So once you have that, just copy and paste it. And then paste it over to the other arm, paste another one, and paste that for the leg, and paste one last one for the other leg. Once we have that done, we can hide the original layer, and then this is what we have right here. We have the body of the Android. Now all we have to do is create the top. So to do that, all we need to do is grab the pen tool, start from here, go to here, go straight to the middle, and then just draw like that. That should be good. And then we're going to just connect it, and yada yada yada. There we go. Just go ahead and make the fill of that like that. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to make the antenna. So to make the antenna, we're going to use the rounded rectangle tool again, and we're going to create just a little tiny rounded rectangle. Once we have our little rounded rectangle, we're going to copy and paste it. Let's just put that over there, and now let's go back to the first one, and we're just going to simply rotate it and then move it with the arrow keys until it's into position like that. And we're going to do the same exact thing with this one over here. And then if we go ahead and hide the original layer, as you see here, this is what we got right here. Now you might want to go ahead and spend some more time on this than I did, but I'm doing it quickly for the sake of this video. So now I'm going to go ahead and select all this and group it together and just move it over here. And now I'm going to grab my circle tool. so my ellipse tool, go ahead and just make circles for the eyes. And once we do that, just copy and paste it. Just paste it over here. Then we can grab this and we can put it back. And we're going to select the entire thing, send it to the back, and then, let's grab our eyes here for a second. What did I do to the eyes? That was wrong. Oh yeah, we got to make the fill of them white. I apologize for that. Once you do that, just go ahead and move the thing back. And then there we go. We go ahead and zoom out and hide the original layer. There we go. That is the Android robot we created. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to group it together. Then as you notice, if I just zoom out and move it to the side, original Android, our Android. And the best thing about ours is it's a vector image, so we can resize it and it will maintain its image. So now I'm just going to go and delete layer 1 because now we have what we wanted. I'm going to zoom out and I'm going to resize it, make it bigger, and just put it anywhere I want to, so over here. And then once that's done, all you need to do is save it. So go to File, Save As, and save it as any Illustrator document you want to. I already do have it saved on the desktop over here as an Illustrator document, but today I'm going to show you how to export it to Photoshop so we can use it in the next tutorial. And the next tutorial, of course, is going to be making this background right here. So to make this background, all we need to do is we need to export this Android to a Photoshop document. So we're going to go to File, Export, then do it whatever. I'm just going to name it Android logo 2, and here under Format, change it to Photoshop PSD. Click Export. OK, and now it's going to write in Photoshop format, and then we're done. So if I close that out, as you see right here, Android logo 2.psd, and that is our Photoshop file, and that is what we're going to use to make this wallpaper here in Photoshop. So anyway, that's it for the tutorial, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The next tutorial, of course, is going to show you guys how to make this wallpaper right here. So stay tuned for that. And anyway, until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.